So, hi guys, I'm back from the dead. No, I'm just kidding. Uh, it's been almost 5 years. I haven't posted a video because, you know. So, lately I've been obsessed with Hironos. I don't know how you guys say it, but Hironos. I don't know. Whatever. I don't care. So, it's this one, Hirono, with um clot the clot series. So it's this one. I actually want to get this one, but I'm getting everything because it's the whole series. Yeah, anyways. The flag is baliktad or I don't know. Kasi it's inverted. Pero okay lang yan. Actually, I wasn't gonna buy this one, but everything's out of stock. So, no choice. Kasi I have almost all of the collection. No, like every series I have at least one, except for this one kasi it's the cheapest one since they're only 6, and compared to the others it's 8. So tipid muna tayo. So how do you do this, like yung kapag binibenta? I think minamassacre ko na, pero ito. Oh, unboxing. I'm not good at this. That's why I don't do videos anymore. So anyways, I'm gonna tell you some stories. Ne, joke lang. I was kind of busy this past 5 years because I was 15 since the last video, 15, 16, and now I'm 20. The time that you mature or whatever. So like yung sa mga ASMR, ganon. ASMR unboxing. Anyways. I'm not gonna look, pero I'm gonna show you before I look at it. Or, no, I prefer opening this one first. This one before seeing what's in the card. And I'm not looking muna. Okay. Oh, shit. Not bad. So, it's yung parang yin-yang. Ayun nga, yin-yang nga. Okay. I don't know. Kasi, this past 5 years, walang pera. And now, I started like working while studying. So, diba? Cute. So, yeah, anyways. I don't know. Some people don't like Hirones. But now, I started, buying other blind boxes. Kasi, it's always out of stock. But, I don't know why it's always out of stock. Pero I think it's because lately, with the Labubus and stuff, some people don't, ayoko na mag-English, magtatagalog na lang ako. Pinapahirapan ko pa yung sarili ko. Yung mga tao kasi kapag hindi nakakabili ng Labubu, ayun, nasa Pop Mart na, di ba bili ng Hiromo, kagaya ko, ganun yung nangyari sa akin. So, as of now, siguro almost 500 euros in all. 500 euros in all na yung nagastos ko. Wait. Mamaya ikakalki ako magkano 500 euros sa peso. Pero, that's a lot in the span of 3 months. Kasi I started nung February. Ang cute neto. Sino to? Si Chinese. Parang ang racist naman kung sasabihin Chinese ito. Porket yung Pop Mart Chinese. Pero, sige, trip mo yan eh. Pero actually, I'm obsessed with Hirones and other stuff. Pero basta kurang collectibles, ganun. Kasi it heals your inner child or something. Kung anong trip nyo sa buhay. Pero I hope makuha ko kahit papaano yung secret. Kasi, never akong, di ko yung chance. Kasi ito, hindi naman to si Secret. Si Silk Royale. Social Wala akong pakialam kung wala akong secret. At least nadagdagan ng 6 na hero na yung collection ko. By the end, ipapakita ko yung collection ko as of now. Wala nga nabibilang Labubu. Pero gusto ko. Sino naman to? So yung sa ngayon wala pang terracotta. Sino naman to? Si Ali Negra. Social ng pangalan ni Auntie. So yung kasunod, either yung terracotta or yung secret, which is yung parang panda something. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan, basta panda siya, secret eh. Cute Takot ako, pero feeling ko siya. Feeling ko yung terracotta. Actually, not bad. Cute naman siya kahit paano. Di ko siya bet, pero sige lang. Terracotta nga. Bakit ako nag-i-expect ng secret? Wala naman akong... Di naman ako lucky. Like... Eto. Diba? Hindi ko siya bet. Pero sige lang. At least may kompleto ako. May kompleto akong si Terracotta Army. So, ayun lang. The next vlog, nag-unboxing lang ako ng iba pang mga blind boxes. Pero may bibilin ako soon. So, ayun na nga. Bye guys. And see you next time. And I thank you. Bye-bye.